Om Vigneswaraya Namaha. Om Saraswatye Namaha. When we relish the devotional fervor of all these devotees, it is natural for us to remember Bhakta Jayadeva of 12th century and his Geth Govindam. A pure worship leads to yogani when separated from the divine. In one Ashtapadi, Jayadeva describes this yogani felt by Radha due to separation from Krishna. Few lines of the Ashtapadi are Savirhe Tavadina Savirhe Tavadina Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadiva Bhavanaya Tvailina Bhavanaya Tvailina Savirahe Tavadina Savirahe Tavadina Janalayena Pura Parikalpya Bhavantam Ativa Durapam Vilapati Hasati Vishidati Roditi Vilapati Hasati Vishidati Roditi Chenchati Munchati Tapam Savirahe Tavadina Savirahe Tavadina Madhava Manasija Vishika Bhayadiva Bhavanaya Tvailina Bhavanaya Tvailina Savirahe Tavadina Savirahe Tavadina